This is my latest gold drum. It's on a trailer. It's 48 inches round, made out of a fuel tank. It's got two classifier baskets. It's got an 18-inch basket in the center here, made out of 1/8 inch steel with 1-inch holes, and then it's got about a half or maybe even 3/8 basket, 28 inches around, and after that. So this will classify everything big. You can take the big hits, the big rocks, giant boulders, anything that'll fit in there will come back out the front. You'll feed it in here. It'll classify it through that, then through this, and then down into the main drum. It has a 1-inch ring out here to keep the gold from falling out the front. The pond that you see on the bottom down there will hold all the gold. It's real similar to panning. It's constantly moving. Gold is heavy, it's going to go to the bottom. Everything's going to flow out the front. Everything loose and lighter is going to go to the top as the material's moving. You can run this, circulate this in a creek or a pond or whatever you have, but we don't have that, so we have a recirculating system here. This is the two tanks. This one's, I'm not sure, 175 gallon. This one's 100 gallon. I got 5 siphon tubes that'll keep these two the same level. The screen is galvanized. It's 1/8 inch holes. Everything's going to come out of here, out of all 3 of these holes. It's going to land on here, and you just push it off because it's not angled enough right here to fall on its own with a flat shovel. I'll crank this thing up. It's a little louder than normal because it's got this underneath this metal roof. The drum don't have to run more than an idle, really. Got a 60-to-1 speed reducer, so it's turning pretty slow right now. It's got a set of wheels on the bottom down there, and it's got a set of wheels back here to keep that thing rolling as straight as possible. This is a 2-inch pump. You don't have to run more than about an idle either. Barely run, just moving up water. Water flow is not that big of a deal. With this, just the more water pressure, the more it's going to spray and wash the rock. You'll throw the material right in the center there. It'll double classify it down, and the gold will sit at the bottom there. When you want to clean that out, you will turn the machine off. If you want to test the pan or something, just scoop a scoop out of there, but you'll dig all your cons right out of the bottom. It's real easy. It's not like a sluice box where you got to take it apart and everything. It's just, you can stab a shovel in there anytime you want, even when it's moving, and check where you're at. See if you're onto some gold. See the siphon tubes are working. They're pushing that water straight through there. Pretty self-contained. That's everything you need. Just plant the thing anywhere and work. Because the motors are barely running, like barely idling it, you can run all day on the 2 tanks of gas there that are on the thing. And then as far as material feeding into that, just as fast as you possibly can. I don't think there's anything faster. The only adjustments you can make is maybe make the motor go up just a little bit more, or the water pressure as if you got 2 people or 3 people shoveling in there. Probably be having a fight with shovels though. But thing's awesome. I'm gonna take it out tomorrow and try it out, get some gold with it, and try to see if we can circulate water for a few, maybe 3 or 4 hours before it gets too dirty. the water's on that side is because it's going to roll around that way. It's going to wash it as it turns around. When you're done for the day, you lift the front of the trailer up. Pull away from here a little bit. Lift the front of the trailer up while it's running, and everything will just dump right out on the ground. Right back in the hole where you got it.